In 1995, a college dropout invested his last $100 into a crazy idea that everyone said would fail. Today, that $100 is worth over $150 billion. But here's what's even more shocking. You don't need to be a genius, have connections, or get lucky to replicate this success. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint that turns $100 into your first million, and why 97% of people will never follow it. What you're about to discover isn't get-rich-quick nonsense. These are the same principles used by self-made millionaires who started with nothing. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to build real wealth, hit that subscribe button because this video will change your financial future forever. Before we dive into the strategy, you need to understand why most people stay broke. They think like consumers, not investors. They see $100 and think, what can I buy? Millionaires see $100 and think, how can I multiply this? The wealthy don't work for money. They make money work for them. This is called the wealth multiplication effect. And it's the difference between trading time for dollars and creating systems that generate income 24/7. The $1 Million Blueprint. Step 1. The knowledge investment. Your first $50 doesn't go into stocks or crypto. It goes into your brain. Warren Buffett calls this the best investment because nobody can tax it or steal it from you. Here's exactly what to do. Spend $30 on a high-income skill course, copywriting, digital marketing, or sales. Spend $20 on books by millionaires who've walked this path. In 30 days, you'll have knowledge worth 10 times your investment. Real example, Sarah Martinez spent her last $47 on a copywriting course in 2019. Within 90 days, she was earning $3,000 per month freelancing. Today, she runs a 7-figure marketing agency. The knowledge multiplied her income by 1,000%. Step 2. The service arbitrage. Now, take your remaining $50 and your new knowledge to start a service business. This is called arbitrage, buying low, selling high. But instead of products, you're arbitraging skills. The formula is simple. Use $30 for basic tools and website setup. Spend $20 on targeted advertising to find your first client. Charge $500 for a service that costs you $100 in time. Reinvest 80% of profits back into growth. Meet Marcus Chun. He learned Facebook ads with his $100 investment. Month 1, $800 profit. Month 6, $8,000 monthly income. Year 2, he's running a marketing agency, pulling in $2 million annually. Same blueprint, different person. Step 3, the scale and systematize phase. Once you hit $5,000 monthly profit, most people make a fatal mistake: lifestyle inflation. They buy a new car or move to an expensive apartment. Millionaires do the opposite. They systematize and scale. Here's the wealth acceleration formula. Month 1 to 6, master the service, build systems. Month 7 to 12, hire team members, automate processes. Month 13 to 18, launch premium services, multiple revenue streams. Month 19 to 24, create passive income products, build assets. Take Jennifer Walsh. She started with $100 and a social media management service. Year 1, $120,000 revenue. But instead of spending it, she created online courses teaching her methods. Year 2, $400,000. Year 3, her courses now generate $2 million annually while she sleeps. Step 4, the investment and asset building. Now you have real money to invest. But forget what financial advisors tell you about index funds returning 7% annually. You're going to use the millionaire's secret, investing in cash-flowing assets that generate 20 to 50% returns. Your options: real estate, buy rental properties with your business income. Business acquisitions, buy profitable small businesses. High-yield investments, private lending, peer-to-peer lending. Scaling your core business, the highest ROI investment. The psychology of wealth. Here's what separates the successful from the dreamers: psychology. Building wealth isn't about tactics, it's about identity. You must become someone who naturally creates value and serves others at scale. Poor people see money as scarce. Rich people see money as abundant. Poor people spend to feel good. Rich people invest to build assets. Poor people work harder. Rich people work smarter through systems and leverage. The millionaire mindset has 3 core beliefs. 1. Problems are opportunities in disguise. 2. Every dollar is a seed that can grow into a tree. 3. Success is inevitable when you provide massive value. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. 97% of people fail because they make these 3 critical mistakes. Mistake 1, shiny object syndrome. They jump from opportunity to opportunity instead of mastering one path. Mistake 2, consumption mentality. They spend profits on liabilities instead of assets that generate more income. Mistake 3, playing it safe. They're so afraid of losing their $100, they never take the calculated risks that create millions. The solution? Follow the SMART wealth formula. Specialize in one high-income skill first. Master it completely before moving on. Automate and systematize your processes. Reinvest profits into growth, not lifestyle. Track every metric and optimize constantly. Your 90-day roadmap to get started. Days 1 to 30, foundation phase. Invest in skill development. Set up basic business systems. Land your first paying client. Days 31 to 60, growth phase. Refine your service delivery. Build client testimonials and case studies. Scale to $3,000 plus monthly revenue. Days 61 to 90, scale phase. Hire your first team member. Create standard operating procedures. Launch your premium service offering. Remember, every millionaire was once where you are now. The only difference? They took action while others made excuses. Your financial transformation starts with a single decision. Are you ready to stop dreaming and start building? Take your $100, follow this blueprint, and in 1 year from today, you'll look back at this moment as the day everything changed. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, smash that like button and subscribe for more wealth building strategies. Drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway.